Hi, I'm Jane Peyton. I'm the principal of the School of Booze, and I'm here in one of my favourite London pubs, the Victoria in Paddington. Today's tutorial is, when did humans first start drinking alcohol? Well, we can't be sure exactly, but the first experience of alcohol would have been fermenting fruit dropping off trees. But the first purposely made alcohol was probably mead, which is fermented honey and water, and that happened sometime in the Paleolithic era between 2.5 million years ago and 20,000 years ago. Can't be more accurate. But as soon as humans discovered that there was basically a source of alcohol everywhere, then it was fair game. So what we can say is that humans were drinking alcohol, or certainly experiencing it, right from the beginning. So that's the end of the tutorial. Remember, at the School of Booze, you do your homework at the pub. And the textbooks are these two. It's actually the same book, just a different cover. You can buy them from my website, and I'll sign them with my best fountain pen. Cheers.